For generations, the rhythm of progress was hammered out in steel and sweat. From the clang of the forge to the roar of the assembly line, manual work has been the bedrock of our civilization, a testament to human strength and perseverance. The sparks from a welder's torch and the grit on a builder's hands told a story of dignity, a narrative of how we built our world, piece by painstaking piece. This was the legacy of labor, a foundation of effort upon which entire societies were raised, powered by the sheer force of human will. Then the rhythm changed. The familiar cacophony of the factory floor gave way to a quiet, almost sterile hum. A new era arrived, not with a bang, but with the silent, synchronized dance of automation. On these gleaming new floors, robotic arms move with a precision that borders on artistry, assembling components with flawless efficiency. The drive for greater productivity, for unwavering safety, and for a perfection beyond human grasp propelled this inevitable shift. A human worker might strain under the weight of a heavy chassis, but a robot lifts it as if it were weightless. A stark illustration of the new industrial revolution we now face. This is not just an evolution. It is a fundamental rethinking of how things are made. But this relentless pursuit of efficiency comes with a profound human cost. Behind the numbers and the productivity charts are individuals whose lives are upended. For many, the first sign of this change is not a marvel of technology, but a simple piece of paper, a layoff notice. In that moment, the din of the factory fades into a disquieting silence, replaced by a deep sense of uncertainty and worry. The once familiar landscape of a life's work, the shared camaraderie, the familiar lockers, the well-worn tools, becomes a gallery of memories. This transition raises difficult questions about economic displacement, the value of traditional skills, and our collective responsibility to those left behind in the wake of progress. Yet, from this crossroads of uncertainty, a new path emerges. The story does not end with a closed factory gate. It begins anew in a classroom. The same hands that once gripped a wrench now navigate a keyboard, learning the new languages of AI programming and systems management. This is the dawn of a new beginning, a transformation fueled by adaptation and the will to learn. In bright, modern control centers, these retrained professionals are no longer cogs in a machine, but the minds that command them. They oversee entire fleets of automated systems, troubleshoot complex logistical problems, and innovate new workflows, finding a renewed sense of purpose not in repeating tasks, but in mastering them. The future of work is not a world without human workers, but one where human potential is redefined and amplified. We see this collaboration taking root in new and unexpected fields, from AI-managed vertical farms that promise to feed our cities, to intricate architectural marvels conceived by human creativity and visualized by machine intelligence. Automation is not replacing humanity. It is challenging us to evolve beyond the manual tasks of the past. It is freeing us to focus on what we do best, to be creative, to think critically, and to solve problems. The true promise of this new age lies in our ability to learn, adapt, and leverage technology, turning what was once a source of anxiety into a powerful tool for building a better, more human-centric future.